Good evening, guys. So today's my topic about social media. So social media is having a platform of conversation and creating videos. There are many forms of social media, such as we creating videos and creating blogs and mini blogs and sharing photos and videos. So there are many forms of social media. In the today's generation, we depend mainly on social media. There On the other side, there are many benefits and disadvantages of social media. So first of all, I talk about the advantages of social media. The first advantage of social media is that we earn money from many apps like Instagram and YouTube channels also. The second thing is that we gain knowledge from social media and increasing our communication skills. And on the another side, if I would talk about disadvantage of social media, so the first disadvantage is that we don't focus on our goals. We just scrolling reels and we wasting our time. And in social media, distraction is the major cause that we face in today's generation. And once time, Gautam Buddha said that the mind is everything. What you think, you become. But our generation don't think, they watch reels. So that's enough from my side. Thank you.